I have a new vision of my work. I understand just now how important is the sales skills. Now it is more predictable. It was completely new to me. You learn coaching by doing sessions. I was so scared, but now I'm feeling very confident. I don't think you can find that information anywhere online.
Good day, Matteo. Nice to see you online
see
in
you.
Zoom. Could you please, in a quick 30 seconds, explain what it is that you do?
Okay. I'm Matteo. I'm a professional coach. I run M&S Consulting. We are specialized in subconscious beliefs and belief systems.
Okay, cool. And from which country are you working in? Because
I'm Italian. I'm from Milan.
Okay, cool. And we started to work, I think, a couple of months ago. And what has been the kind of the journey with us kind of working together?
Well, all my work pipeline, I have a new vision of my work. I understand just now how important is the sales skills. And basically, I had a lot of skills and knowledge, but are very disordered. Right now, I know how to work and what to do next to achieve a next level.
Okay, it's like okay. Cool. Oh, it was lagging. Sorry for that. It was less lagging. So what did you say at the end of it?
Okay, I was telling you that what I learned is a system. Now I understand which are my blocks. I have to develop new skills like the sales. That is probably the 70% of the job, and I have a new vision, and I know how to work to go to the next level.
Got it. How were you getting customers before we started to work? What was the kind of the process before you were doing?
Well, I was acquiring customer just by word of mouth because my clients was pretty impressed by the results. And so this is the only way I had, but it was not predictable. So one day could be I had one client, and 10 days after I had no clients. Now I know that if how to run a campaign, how to contact customer, making the setting, how to close a contract. Now it is more predictable.
Cool. And what kind of the strategy did you launch with our team? Like what was the kind of the which country? What was the offer? What was the cost per lead? And what had happened in that kind of sense?
Okay. The very first step was running the lead machine. Okay. I have acquired 80 leads in 1 month with a medium of €12 per lead. And
which country is it? Was it in Italian?
Just in North Italy. Just
North Italy. Okay, North Italy.
Just North Italy. And
why North Italy? Why not all Italy?
Because I have a bonus that it's called the core belief balance, where I address the 13 deepest belief in every belief system. And this is something that I can make just by person, not online.
Okay.
And this is a very important service that I give, and a Uber bonus. And I can just do it by person, so they must be near me.
Okay, cool. Hey, sharp people! By the way, if you want more leads, more sales, more meetings, more customers, below this video, I have a presentation where I show and demonstrate how we could help you to get more customers, more leads, and more sales. So, if this is interesting, click below to learn more. But now, let's get back to the video. And what was your process of, okay, you got the leads. What was your process to get sales calls with them? So how did you do that? What was the kind of the process?
Well, I have to tell you, the first time that I see, immediately the first day, the leads come in, I got scared. I said, "Wow, now what I have to do?" Because in my in my everyday job, they call me. They already know me, and it was completely new to me. And I started calling them. I was not able to make even a setting. Then I learned how to double call them, the day after, and even maybe to leave a WhatsApp message after. And then I closed one client. I was able to pay the ads cost in 1 month. In this Tuesday, I have another closed call. Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice. And it's like, and you start like, I remember the first feeling for me as well when you like first launch a campaign and then you like spending money and then you, oh, I got it back. Okay, like I'm safe
Okay.
now. I can do it a little bit more. You know, like I
Yeah.
remember these feelings as well. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your offer? Like, what do you sell at what price point, and how is the offer structured for you?
Okay. My offer is pretty plain simple. I will make you manifest your true value in your personal and professional life in just 5 sessions.
Okay.
If you do not see any result in the first session, I will refund you. And this is
And what's the price
very
point?
2007.
2,700. It's for
Mm.
all 5 sessions.
Yeah.
Do you have some upsells after that, or some lower ticket products, or just this one offer?
No, right now my objective is just to monetize, because I want to, I'm a coach, and I'm a trainer also for companies. Companies are a very good environment, a lot of experience, but it's low paying. So I want to monetize more than I can, to leave this part of my job and create a school, of awareness school. This is my long-term objective. Then,
Oh, I love it.
so
That's nice.
right now, my coaching sessions are my front-end offer. In my project, in my ideal project, they will become the back-end offer, and the front-end will be the school.
Okay,
Everything.
cool. So as we have a lot of coaches who work with us, I have to ask you this. Did you have a lot of kind of formal education before you started coaching, or maybe no education, or like how did
No.
that go? So how did you start doing like some sessions, some like coaching? What was your background before you started?
Wow. Wow. I always worked in the last 18 years in companies as a trainer, but I got the specialization in coaching in 2018,
Okay.
and then I specialized in cognitive neuroscience and subconscious beliefs in between 2018 and 2019. This is the time frame. Yeah.
But you said you are a trainer in these like big companies or doing
Yeah.
corporate training.
Yeah.
So what do you mean by training? You were like, what kind of job was that? Was it like personal performance improvement? What was that?
Oh wow, this is this can vary, but my strong point is women empowerment and personal growth.
Mm,
Uh, this is this is a very hot topic inside companies, especially in Italy, and it works, but it's not what I do, or what I want to do, or what I feeling that is my path.
mm.
That's all.
You know the TV series Billions? You know the TV show Billions, called
Nope,
Billions?
nope, no.
Because in that series, there's like a hedge fund, and they have one person who's their like coach, mental coach, where you
Okay.
go to them and they're like come on, man, you can do it. And then they go back and then they find good trades and then they make money for the team. And they had this one, like a coach person who's like helping everybody to have bigger performance. So it seems similar, I guess, right? In your experience before. What was so when you decided okay, I'm gonna get customers myself, I'm gonna do like my own gig, what was kind of your process, or what was the story of you getting your first customer, like your first, and who was
Okay.
that? What was the kind of the way how you got the first one when you decided, yeah, I want to do coaching?
Okay. Well, I was inside. In my past, I had some branding skills and branding I was a branding professional. I was specialized in typography, lettering, and stuff like that. So I had many collaboration with marketers, and I know that marketers are a lot of they are trying to improve in themselves always. They're always trying something new. So when I decided to have the first customer, I just subscribed in a Facebook group telling people that I was doing one session for free. And so everybody was calling me, yeah, I want to try this new thing. And people start talking about me. And
Okay.
also right now, some of my clients are people from that group.
Okay, that's interesting. So
Yeah.
the idea was you went to groups on Facebook and
Yeah.
you said, "Hey, I can do this and that.
Yeah.
Here's a free
Yeah.
session. Come join."
Yeah.
And how many free sessions did you need to do to get your first paying customer? Do you remember?
Well, imagine that right now I had 247 clients.
Mm-hmm.
The first, I think that the first 50 was for free.
Okay.
Because by the way, study coach. You can study coaching in the best school in the world, but you learn coaching by doing sessions, session by session by session. I want to tell you, I was also in the Mind Valley private group saying, I can do this and that, call me. And the
Okay.
people called me. Yeah.
But that's good. You're basically joining some communities, and you're like,
Yeah.
probably utilizing also the benefits of that. But that's the thing I also see when we join any program or any mastermind where we're learning some things. A lot of people are collaborating. A lot of people are cross-selling, networking, and selling, buying services from people who are inside of the community as members, not as the guy who kind of made the community. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I agree.
Yeah.
Where can people find you? Like, where can people reach out to you if they're interested in finding you online? Where's the best place to find you?
The best place to find me, it will be a news website called La Quinta Via. But right now, the best way to find me is on my Facebook page, quintavia.hit.
Cool. We're going to add that in the description. Last thing that's interesting to me, regarding when I think, quick question for you, like when you started working with us regarding paid ads, what was your thinking behind, okay, I'm going to do it in North Italy? Because you said, okay, I need to do it in person, so I cannot do it online. But did you have also this plan of, okay, I want to sell internationally, I want to get customers in English, but you decided to do it in Italian? What was the kind of reasoning behind that?
Well, I had clients in my life from Romania to Florida, from Sweden to Spain, all around Europe. But I think that facilitating in Italian, I am better in that. And so I prefer to create a niche in North Italy. That was my idea. I'm a lot better in facilitating in Italian.
Hey sharp people, by the way, if you want more leads, more sales, more meetings, more customers, below this video I have a presentation where I show and demonstrate how we could help you to get more customers, more leads, and more sales. So if this is interesting, Click below to learn more. But now let's get back to the video. Cool. And the last thing, how do you see now, after having this experience with us also, about this kind of paid ad thing? How do you look right now at paid ads? What would you say like paid ads is in your mind? Like, how do you look at that?
Well, I have to tell you that I was so scared when I opened for the first time the Meta Business Suite and to put numbers. I said, oh my God, tomorrow I will be charged for 2,000. Now I'm feeling very confident with that instrument. I have to say thank you to Thomas because he helped me a lot with that. And right now I don't tell you that I'm feeling home. There are a lot of details to see, to look at. But now I'm feeling very confident. It was my first time running paid ads.
Yeah, and I think for many businesses, this is like crucial when they have a predictable way to generate leads. And I think in your case, those leads are probably very hot. And it's how many percent right now can you, if you generate, let's say 10 leads, how many of those can you get as meetings? Like what's the kind of the currently?
In the beginning, I was not able to set a meeting. I learned after, and in the last 20 calls, I had 3 meetings.
So last 20 leads, you had 3 meetings. That's what you said.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so I still think that I still think that could be a little bit higher because I think you run like a direct offer, right? You run a direct offer about what you do.
Absolutely.
Okay, cool.
Right now, I'm this Monday, my VSL funnel will be online.
Okay.
It took me so much work, but I'm very happy of what I developed. And it will be my first time for an indirect offer. And we will see. We will see.
Cool. It is with this VSLs. I know. I have like made like I don't want to tell you how many, but like a lot of them. You just make them, you run them. There's like people not like
it's like to see your child going to the first I don't know football play. How you call when two people
football game, like a football game.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. It's like to see your child go to a football game. I'm so anxious. I want to see how people will answer to that.
It is.
In that training, I created a free training, and I don't think you can find that information anywhere on online. This is something that gives a lot of value, and I think that people will book a call with me.
Yeah, it's cool. No, it's like benchmark would be 5 to maybe 20% of people. If they sign up for a VSL, then they book a call. That would be like okay. And then if it's above, it's crazy. If it's below, it's probably not good enough, maybe, or the audience is not good enough. No, like they're not right targeting. But that you will see. When do you plan to launch that?
Monday.
Okay, so very, very soon. So next week, basically.
Yes.
Okay, Matteo, thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing your journey with us. Thank you for also doing the hard work. Thank you also for, not getting discouraged when you run ads and you're not getting calls and not shying away, still pursuing it. And thank you for your time today, for sharing your journey, sharing your story. And really,
thanks to you,
really
to
appreciate
your team. Thanks to you for your time and to your team. They're really awesome.
Cool. Thank you for saying that. We'll let them know, I have daily meetings with them, so I'll let them know, like really hardcore. Okay, so cool.